Hello, welcome to another episode of Technical Market Analysis for Philippine Stock Market. And in this video, we're gonna cover March 8 to March 12. So, as you can see here, these are the 5 days, the 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So, as you can see on this graph, we are supported by this support here, 6683. So touch 1, touch 2. So I believe this is near-term support that is strong because we have two touch points here. So, and the nearest resistance that we have is 6943. So it's trending on this range right now, but beware that the moving averages, we are still on the bearish side. So protect your capital, protect your investments, and I hope that you do enjoy watching and learning from these videos, and happy investing, and God bless you and grow your account. Thank you. Bye bye. This is your host, Julius Santiago. And if you like this kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe so that when I upload videos, you will be notified. And that's it for this week. And bye bye.